This is assignment number 5. In this assignment, we are tasked with implementing a soda vending machine using a finite state machine. It's essentially just a model by which, a model of computation by which we can design sequential logic circuits. And it uses a finite number of states and transitions between those states, which can be triggered by inputs or certain actions. And in this case, our actions are dependent upon previous actions by the user. So for all intents and purposes, I will go ahead and define what each one of these inputs is on our Nexys A7 board. Here we have our CPU reset button, and switches 0, 1, 2, and 3 will be controlling our soda list, which is just a price list of the items available, as well as in addition to one register that will let us know if the soda is reserved or not. So it ranges from 1111, which is our reserved input switch, to 1000, which is the highest amount in our list, to 0000, which is just 55 cents or the lowest amount in our list. In addition to that, we have a coin list, which it gives us the value of a selected coin in cents, projected in this screen right here. And it's controlled by these 4 buttons. Essentially, we have our a cent push button, which is controlled by BTNU up top, and that will just increase our amount by a cent. We have a nickel push button, BTNR, right here, and that will just increase our amount by 5 cents. We have our dime push button, which is controlled by BTND at the bottom here, and that will increase our amount available on cash by 10 cents. We also have, lastly, a quarter push button, which is controlled by the leftmost button here, BTNL, and that will just increase our amount by, you guessed it, a quarter. There you go. Lastly, our BT and C button in the middle here is our soda dispensing button, which will allow us to see if our amount suffices to be able to purchase or dispense the listed price here. And our outputs are indicated by our LED signals 0 to 3 up top here on top of the switches. 0 being the soda will drop, and you have the amount of money required to purchase said item. We have LED 1, which will indicate an error amount, and what that means essentially is just that the requested soda price is greater than our available deposit amount. Our LED 2 right here, that would indicate an error reserved, meaning that the soda reserved and cannot be dispensed. And our LED 3 is just a coin reject, meaning that the amount in our cash at hand exceeds $10, which our machine is programmed to reject any amounts over $10. All right, so I will go ahead and just test